there, this is Madam Case. Welcome to my kitchen. Please subscribe, like, comment. Let's go on this journey together. Got my paprika dish for you here today. Paprika drumsticks, paprika potatoes. They're all oven baked, supplemented or complemented by honey glazed crunchy carrots. Yes, honey. Yes, it's just because potatoes are heavy, you know, and all the flavors, just to cut that up a little bit. So let's crack on. So as you can see, I got my ingredients all here ready, washed, cut, and prepped. So I'm going to start off with the potatoes. And like I said, it's a paprika dish. So paprika is the main seasoning that we're using. So first of all, what I want to do with my potatoes is just salt them a little bit. Put my paprika. So this is going to be about a tablespoon of paprika. Just sprinkle it on. And then olive oil. Probably 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then just mix it all together. Okay, cover it, put it aside for now. Okay, now my chicken. Okay, so same thing with my chicken. Salt to taste, really easy, really tasty though. Yeah, paprika, again, tablespoon of paprika. And then we're going to add half a tablespoon of cumin. I just want you to measure that. It's just because I know how much to add. And then I'm going to put 3 cloves of garlic. I've already chopped them up. You can buy the minced garlic as well and just use that. And then I'm going to squeeze lime over. So I got a whole lime. Okay, olive oil. Red onion. I've cut the onion in rings, as you can see. And then just mix it together. Give it a nice toss. Make sure it's properly mixed, properly. And then you cover your chicken with foil. I don't have foil today, so I'm improvising with a foil tray. So cover chicken. So if you have foil, please use foil. And then in the oven it goes. So here are my potatoes. So I'm going to put them in the oven, and I'm going to put the chicken in the oven as well. Like I said before, this dish is complemented by carrots, just because potatoes are really heavy, and obviously all the paprika in the chicken as well. So it's really filled with flavor. So you want to just break down a little bit with something crunchy and vibrant and a little bit sweet. So I got my carrots all washed, cut up. So I've cut them into strips like this. So the first thing you want to do is just put them in a bowl. Cinnamon, yes, like a teaspoon of cinnamon, and then just cover them in honey. Yes, honey. You know, give it a toss. Just make sure everything is mixed up well together. This is a really great complement to the dish. Okay, so the first thing you want to do with your carrots is to put a tablespoon of butter and melt it. Once it's nice and melted and you can smell the butteriness, you put in your carrots. just there, let it fry. And as you can see, I've got a little bit of honey with cinnamon in my bowl, and obviously the juices from the carrots. So I'm going to fry and then add it to my carrots. Okay, so after 5 minutes, after you've been frying your carrots for 5 minutes, you just add those juices back in on. Okay, so it's been another 5 minutes and our carrots are cooked. Look at that. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And you can still see in the middle it's still crunchy. Perfect. So now we just wait for our potatoes and our chicken. Okay, so let's check into our potatoes. I've taken it out of the oven now. It's been 45 minutes. So these potatoes take about 30 to 45 minutes, just depending on what type of oven you have. And I put it on the middle rack, and just look at that. I'm going to bring this a little bit closer so you can just see. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Our chicken has been in the oven between 50 to 55 minutes, almost an hour. It's been on the middle rack. So these drumsticks, they take about 45 minutes to an hour really. And just look at that. Yes, I have to say no sign. Woo! Look at that. So we got our chicken there, we got our carrots, we got our potatoes there. Isn't that lovely? So easy to make. Probably took me an hour and 20 minutes to prep and to cook. And you don't need to do different pots. Just in one pan in the oven, that's it. And you just fry your carrots for 10 minutes in butter with honey. That's perfect. Yes.